Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your charts in Metatrader 5. This is a great way to customize your trading workspace and make it easier on your eyes, especially during long trading sessions. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads, you'll see your trading dashboard with various charts displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific chart where you want to change the background color. This could be any currency pair or instrument chart that you're currently monitoring. Now, once you've found the chart you want to customize, right-click anywhere on that chart. This will bring up a context menu with several options for adjusting and managing your chart settings. This menu is your gateway to personalizing how your charts look and function within the platform. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. This option opens up the Chart Properties window where you can modify various visual elements of your chart, including colors, grids, and other display settings. The Properties window gives you full control over the appearance of your trading charts. In the Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Background. This is where you can change the color of your chart's background to something that suits your preference or trading style. Next to Background, you'll notice a drop-down menu or color picker. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to reveal all the available color options. From the color selection that appears, choose the color you prefer for your chart background. You might want to select a darker color if you trade at night to reduce eye strain, or perhaps a lighter color if you prefer a brighter workspace. The choice is entirely yours, and you can experiment with different colors until you find what works best for you. Once you've selected your preferred background color, click the OK button at the bottom of the Properties window. This will apply your color choice immediately to the chart, and you'll see the background change right away. Your chart now has a fresh new look that matches your personal preferences. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color of your Metatrader 5 chart, making your trading environment more comfortable and personalized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.